From the snow-capped peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the emerald green slopes of Peru, a habitat stretches forth in which a silent hunter stakes its claim. Puma Concolor, the cougar. With a range extending from the southern reaches of Canada, across the United States and Mexico, and down into the mountainous regions of South America, the cougar is one of the most widely distributed terrestrial predators in the Western Hemisphere. No other predator of its size can be found in such a wide array of habitats. From the frosty coniferous forests in the north, across barren desert plains and sprawling grasslands, to dense rainforests and the steep slopes of the Andes, the cougar exhibits remarkable adaptability. It thrives in both low-lying valleys and at elevations above 4,000 meters, where the air is thin and resources are scarce. This big cat is not particularly choosy about where it settles. What matters most is having ample cover and enough prey. In rocky terrain, crevices and ledges provide shelter. In dense undergrowth, it can move silently, stalking unseen. Wherever cougars find sufficient hiding places and food, they claim their territory, often without humans ever realizing just how close this mysterious predator truly lives. The cougar displays a sleek, muscular physique, graceful yet powerful. Measuring roughly 1.2 to 2.4 meters from head to tail and standing about 60 to 80 centimeters at the shoulder, it ranks among the larger predatory cats in the Americas. Its weight varies depending on habitat and sex. Adult males often reach around 70 to 100 kilograms, while females typically remain somewhat lighter. Its coat is usually a uniform sandy to reddish-brown, lighter along the belly, providing excellent camouflage across a wide range of environments. Short, rounded ears, pale-bordered whisker spots, and strong hind legs, capable of propelling the animal several meters in a single leap, are all characteristic traits. The long, muscular tail serves as a balancing rod as the cougar navigates rugged terrain or effortlessly springs from one rocky ledge to another. All of these physical adaptations make the cougar a silent, efficient hunter, moving through virtually any landscape with elegance, agility, and precise control. Cougars are considered solitary animals. Unlike lions, which live in prides, a cougar generally fends for itself. Each adult cougar maintains its own territory, which can sometimes span hundreds of square kilometers. Within this range, it moves silently through the landscape, always on the lookout for prey or secure resting spots. Communication between cougars takes place primarily through indirect signals, scent marks, scratches on trees, or scat left at prominent locations. In this way, they convey their presence and territorial boundaries without the need for direct confrontation. As a specialized carnivore, the cougar is a master of the ambush. Unlike cheetahs, which rely on open chases, the cougar depends on silence, camouflage, and patience. It is a sit-and-wait hunter, first observing its prey from a secure hiding place, be it behind rocks, in tall grass, or dense undergrowth, before striking with lightning speed at the perfect moment. Its preferred prey includes medium-sized and large ungulates such as deer, but cougars are adaptable and not overly selective. When large prey is scarce, they will also hunt smaller mammals like rodents, rabbits, and occasionally even birds. The key is a silent approach. A successful attack often comes from close range. With a powerful leap, the cougar overwhelms its victim and delivers a precise bite to the neck or throat. After a successful kill, the cougar usually drags its prey to a sheltered spot to feed in peace. It covers leftover portions with leaves and soil to conceal them from other predators or scavengers, allowing it to feed from the same kill for several days. This efficient strategy conserves the cougar's energy and further exemplifies its remarkable adaptability to a wide range of conditions. Cougar reproduction is not tied to a strict breeding season. Mating can occur year-round. When a female becomes receptive, A male stays close to her for a short period, but no lasting bond forms between the sexes. After a gestation of about 90 to 95 days, the female typically gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs. These newborns are initially blind and sport a spotted coat that serves as camouflage. The spots fade as they grow older. The mother raises her offspring alone. She nurses them for roughly 2 to 3 months and then teaches them essential skills, such as how to stalk prey, climb, and recognize potential food sources. During the first few weeks, she keeps the cubs hidden in dense vegetation or rocky crevices to protect them from predators and unfamiliar males. Only after about 1 to 2 years do the young cougars separate from their mother to explore their own territories. On their own, they begin their journey into the vast world of the cougar, a process that ensures the next generation of these silent hunters can stake their claim in an array of different habitats. As a top predator, the cougar plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. By keeping populations of herbivores such as deer under control, it prevents excessive grazing of vegetation. In doing so, it indirectly helps preserve diverse habitats and ensures that smaller animals find enough food and shelter. Without the cougar, certain prey species would rapidly multiply, eventually diminishing plant diversity and throwing entire ecosystems off balance. Its presence is therefore far more than that of a mere hunter. It is the silent engine of a healthy, dynamic ecosystem. Although cougars adapt remarkably well to a wide range of habitats, they are not immune to human influences. The loss and fragmentation of their territory due to settlements, road construction, and intensive agriculture severely limit their roaming areas. Where untouched wilderness once prevailed, humans now push ever deeper into nature, forcing the cougar to approach the edges of human communities. Such proximity often leads to conflicts, especially in rural areas. Cougars sometimes prey on livestock to meet their dietary needs and are subsequently hunted or killed by farmers. Poaching and illegal hunting also pose a threat. Despite existing protections, there are still instances in which cougars are pursued or taken as trophies. These tensions highlight the urgent need for solutions, whether through compensation payments, more secure fencing for livestock, wildlife corridors, or educational campaigns that underscore the importance of these predators in the ecosystem. Today, the cougar stands between two worlds: the wild domain it once ruled unchallenged, and a rapidly changing landscape where its survival depends on humanity's willingness to grant it a place. To ensure the long-term survival of the cougar, conservationists and researchers rely on a combination of protective measures, public education, and modern technology. In many regions, cougars are fitted with GPS collars to gain a clearer understanding of their ranges, migratory patterns, and hunting habits. Camera traps and genetic analyses provide vital data on population sizes, kinship ties, and the genetic health of specific groups. At the same time, wildlife corridors are being created to reconnect isolated habitats. This allows cougars to move safely between different territories in search of adequate food and genetic exchange. Involving local communities is also crucial. Training sessions, awareness campaigns, and compensation payments to ranchers help ease tensions and foster more harmonious coexistence. These multifaceted efforts are already showing initial success. Wherever conservation, research, and local engagement work hand in hand, cougars are not only better understood, but also given a genuine chance to thrive in a rapidly changing world. The cougar is an impressively adaptable predator whose range once stretched from North to South America. But today, it is humans who largely determine its fate. Wherever we protect their habitats and treat nature with respect, these silent hunters still have a future. You can help by supporting conservation organizations, preserving intact wilderness areas, or simply gaining a deeper understanding of these fascinating creatures. Let's work together to ensure that the cougar's silent realm is preserved for generations to come. Thank you for watching this video.